Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GROW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days, the price has definitely made quite a bit of progress, considering not that long ago it was down around $2.50, and now it's all the way up there above $3. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the most powerful going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 325. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 325, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above 325, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area, and that's down there at the $3 mark. So 325, $3 are two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scope of things perspective, if you're saying, look, Clay, I just care about how do I gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the quote-unquote move, just watch that purple line. As that purple line moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full strength, the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance right now, and I'll explain that in a second. But that level is just where the party stopped today, right up there at $3.50. Reason I'm only talking about one level of resistance is because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority right now. Top priority by far is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So keep on building those higher lows and let the grand scheme of things just continue to flow upwards and trend upwards, and that's the name of the game. Overall, though, very nice move, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this trend or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.